morning, good afternoon, and good evening, guys. As you already know that ICAI has recently launched a new case study digest, which you can also see on my screen, for the May 21 exams, which are upcoming for CA final. And the subject is, guys, strategic cost management and performance evaluation in the group 2. So guys, since this case digest series has come up, right, and there are various new cases which institute has incorporated so that students have a better experience of writing a case study. So that is the whole motto of this case study digest. And I hope you also know that there are a lot of additions in chapter 5 in the strategic cost management part. So guys, in this video series of mine, I'll be uploading videos for case studies and the recently added part on strategic cost management and performance evaluation. So guys, let's start the day today. So this is the case study. And let's take up the first case today, right? So let's start with the first case today. Basically, this case study is on performance evaluation, right? It is on performance evaluation and it will involve Michael Porter. So ध्यान से करते हैं. First case, we'll read it together, right? And then I will explain you, and then we will also go through the solutions which institute has given. And ये वीडियो देखते देखते ही आपका केस स्टडी मेरे साथ खत्म हो जाएगा, राइट? सो डू नॉट डिवोट एनी स्पेसिफिक एक्स्ट्रा टाइम अपार्ट फ्रॉम माय वीडियो फॉर दीज केसेस. जस्ट रीड द केस along with me, right? Listen to my solution. We will read the case and we'll finish it here itself. So guys, आपको इस वीडियो का एडवांटेज ये होगा that you will not have to do it specifically. अलग से इसके लिए टाइम नहीं देना पड़ेगा, राइट? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट केस. नाउ बेसिकली दिस इज ऑन एयरलाइंस इंडस्ट्री, राइट? सो दे हैव गिवन द फर्स्ट केस on the airline industry, and let's begin. It goes like this. BA is the second largest airline in the country X. Okay, aviation industry in the country X is growing fast. In 2011, 45 million people traveled to or from or within the country X, which shows that in 2011, 45 million people were traveling through airlines. That is through this mode of transportation. It is not only this company, right? हम पूरे सेक्टर की बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. And by 2020, that doubled to 100 million. So which shows that it is a fast growing industry. This number is also expected to treble to 300 million by 2030. So which also shows, this statistics also shows that still the market is unexplored and there is a lot of opportunities. Also by 2025, country X is expected to be the third largest air transport market in the world, just behind US and China. Okay, so that is the first paragraph. Second paragraph, government is trying to meet the significant growth potential of aviation industry. However, it will create challenges also for the airline industry and its industry partners. Government also wants to ensure that broader business and policy environment should not place hurdles which inhibit growth and reduce the levels of benefits that aviation can deliver to the nation. The industry, its supply chain partners, the government and the policy makers, all of them have a clear mandate to work in collaboration towards the common goal of ensuring that aviation's economic and social benefits are fulfilled. So even government is committed to make sure that this market keeps growing. Despite of operating in world's fastest growing market, this company, that is BA Airlines, struggles for passengers. Oh shit, मतलब imagine करो, you are operating in one of the finest growing or fastest growing economy and still you have to look out for passengers. Also BA is facing following problems. Now from here the real problem starts, right? अब तक तो इन्होंने पूरा एक ओरिएंटेशन दिया था about the airline industry and about BA Airlines specifically, but now comes the problems. एग्जाम में हमें प्रॉब्लम पढ़ने के बाद रियलाइज होना चाहिए कि केस स्टडी किस कॉन्सेप्ट को लेके पूछी गई है, राइट? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. ATF, that is the aviation turbine fuel. We all know that aviation industry needs ATF, and ATF prices constitute about 40% of the operational cost in country X. Guys, वैसे भी सबसे बड़ा कॉस्ट एक एयरलाइन को ऑपरेट करने में ATF ही होता है, राइट? एंड व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम दिस कंट्री इज फेसिंग? दैट ATF कंट्री एक्स में सबसे ज़्यादा रेट पे टैक्स होता है पूरे वर्ल्ड में. इतना कहीं पे भी वो टैक्स नहीं होता. अब उस कंट्री में सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट भी टैक्सेस इंपोज कर रहे हैं और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट भी टैक्सेस इंपोज कर रहा है. देखते हैं कितना इंपोज कर रहे हैं. Central government charges 14% duty on ATF and state government is charging 29% duty on ATF. Imagine. So अगर ATF पे गवर्नमेंट इतना ड्यूटी लगाएगी, so obviously ATF एक एयरलाइन को महंगा पड़ेगा और obviously उसकी ऑपरेशनल कॉस्ट बढ़ जाएगी. So that is the first point and the first problem, which is a very big problem. Second, जैसे you can see that today dollar is becoming stronger and stronger and every other currency is depreciating. That is the, recent times we have seen that. That is the currency depreciation is hitting this airline more harder. Apart from just you keep ATF separate, still 25 to 30% of their cost apart from ATF, okay, इस 25 to 30 में हम ATF को नहीं ला रहे हैं. वो सारे के सारे डॉलर में डिनोमिनेटेड होते हैं. लाइक एयरक्राफ्ट लीज रेंट्स, मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट, ग्राउंड हैंडलिंग, पार्किंग चार्जेस अब्रॉड, क्योंकि वी हैव टू पे लैंडिंग चार्जेस, वी हैव टू पे फ्लाइंग चार्जेस, देन पार्किंग चार्जेस, ऑल दिस इन डॉलर वी हैव टू पे. एंड बिकॉज द डॉलर इज गेनिंग मोमेंटम एंड डॉलर इज बिकमिंग स्ट्रॉन्गर एंड स्ट्रॉन्गर, अगेन इट इज a burden on the operational cost. So that is the second problem, right? The third problem. Now see guys, we as BA, now just think as we as BA are a multinational full-fledged airline, okay? We are a full-fledged airline, but low budget carriers market में entry कर रहे हैं, right? And वो लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? वो लोग passengers को discount offer कर रहे हैं. And you all know that today's customer has a very important percentage which just looks out for bargain or which looks out for good prices. Guys, you and me also book flight tickets, right? तो हम लोग flight tickets के पहले हम लोग कितने सारे ऐप के ऊपर चेक करते हैं कि फ्लाइट के रेट्स कहाँ पे चीप मिल रहे हैं हमें. We go on IXIGO, we go on cheap flights, we go on MMT, Make My Trip, and etc. So guys, because of this, even BA is forced to give discounts. That is the third problem. Fourth, continuous improvements are happening in tourism infrastructure, tourism policies, human resource development, airport infra policy are amongst the areas that could further enhance country X competitiveness. And ease of doing business has risen. And intense competition amongst the domestic airlines, the need to capture a slice of ever expanding market, and the passenger price sensitivity. I just told you that today's passenger is a very price sensitive customer. That makes the airlines very difficult to raise the ticket prices. Forget about raising the ticket prices, it is just a price war. Now, all of these taken together has now plunged country's ex-aviation industry to its most precarious phase in the last 3 years or so. Means they are now talking about the, the whole country, that entire country's aviation industry is seeing its huge, a huge dip or a low. Now, BA is facing huge competition as a year of sharp U-turns. मतलब just हम कुछ आगे करने जाते हैं, then again we have to come back and reduce the price and again be at the same path. Again we do something better, we try to increase or raise the ticket prices, we just have to take a U-turn and come back and slash our prices. And ex-aviation industry from record profit in financial year 1920 to mega losses, resulting in direct need of recapitalization. Now this industry needs recapitalization. They are appealing to the government. Not only this company, but other companies must also be appealing, but BA is specifically appealing to the government to, to reduce taxes on fuel, but all in vain. And ATF is 35 to 40% more expensive in this country than in the rest of the world because of the high taxes, which we just covered in point number 1. Now what are they asking you? Guys, they are asking you which strategy the BA should follow in order to gain superior performance and competitive advantage over its customers. So guys, that was the question, right? I hope all of you have read the question along with me and keep doing this for every case study. Now let us first have a discussion without even reading what they have given. Guys, to discuss this case study with you, the first point which I would like to highlight is, obviously they are asking you that which strategy you should follow for a superior performance and a better competitive advantage. We all have studied performance measurement and performance evaluation in the part 2 of the subject, right? And many of you have already studied that concept from me. But even if you have not studied that concept from me, I would just like to remind all of you that there are only and only 2 strategies, 2 broader level strategies on which you have to base your answer of this case study. And what are these 2? What are these 2? One, either you become a low cost but gain the leadership of the market. I repeat, low cost but gain the leadership of the market, or use the price skimming strategy by differentiation. I repeat again, the base of the answer is based only and only on 2 strategies. These 2 strategies are that या तो आप cost कम कर दो और इतनी कम कर दो कि कोई compare ही न कर सके आपसे, and acquire cost leadership, and that is how you acquire the market. Or 2, use differentiation from competitors and charge a premium price. So that's all guys. These are the 2 points on which you have to write your answer. So what you should have clicked कि बॉस परफॉर्मेंस पूछा है तो परफॉर्मेंस के लिए ये 2 चीज होता है. अगर आपको ये स्ट्राइक हो गया एग्जाम में, so that's all. Then you just have to first explain the model, then relate that with the case study and frame your answer, right? So let's see. We all know this is based on Michael Porter's theory about creating a superior performance. That's 1. And 2, about gaining competitive advantage over the market. Now that is 2. That is the difference between the value what you offer to your customer and the cost of creating that value. If that is positive, this difference is positive, means you are going all right. क्योंकि the value which you offer to the customer और उस वैल्यू को ऑफर करने के लिए जो आपकी कॉस्ट लगी है वो अगर कम है और वैल्यू कस्टमर को आप ज्यादा दे पा रहे हो, सो ऑब्वियसली इट्स अ सिग्नल दैट योर परफॉर्मेंस इज बेटर. सो इफ यू वांट टू सर्वाइव एंड प्रॉस्पर इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड, you just have to meet 2 criteria. 1, you must supply what customer wants. You must supply what customer wants. And 2, you should know how to survive competition. एक तो आपको वही देना है जो वो मांग रहे हैं, और दूसरा यू शुड नो हाउ टू सर्वाइव कॉम्पिटिशन. सो गाइस, let's see the two strategies. If you want to be competitive, boss, as I told you, only and only two strategies. One, low cost advantage. Two, differentiation advantage. That is what is the base of this theory and base of this case study. So one, एक तो बॉस अपनी टोटल कॉस्ट इतनी कम कर दो कि कोई कॉम्पिटिटर आपके कॉस्ट लेवल तक आ ही ना सके. एंड टू, या तो अपने प्रोडक्ट और सर्विस को इतना सुपीरियर बना दो कि वॉट एवर प्रीमियम प्राइस यू चार्ज, पीपल शुड बी रेडिली विलिंग टू पे. सो गाइस, लेट्स एक्सप्लेन बोथ ऑफ देम one by one, and this is all theory part, guys. We have studied all this in theory. You can refer also to my theory classes for the same. Low cost advantage, that is the cost leadership. Guys, the first one is that if your total costs are very low as compared to your competitors, then you can charge a lower price, gain the market and still maintain profitability. So boss, एक तो आप प्राइस कम चार्ज करोगे, मार्केट को पूरा टेक ओवर भी करोगे, एंड थ्री, स्टिल यू विल मेंटेन करंट प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी. एंड टू, अगर कोई कम इफ एनीबडी इज रिड्यूसिंग प्राइसेस, ओके, नो इश्यूज, यू ऑल्सो फॉलो इट, रिड्यूस द प्राइसेस एंड स्टिल इंक्रीज योर प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी. सो गाइस, if you want to use this strategy, you have to focus on your capacity utilization. Right? You have to be at your optimum capacity. Don't forget that. You have to use computers and technology in the most effective manner. You have to sell the seats via internet rather than travel agents, so that your travel agent commission is reduced. Trimming overhead cost by using lower cost out of town airports. Very, very important, guys. Just you must have seen in many countries and in many cities, you have two airports, right? So there is one airport which is a very popular airport, and one airport which is not so popular airport. So you can use out of town airports. Let me give you an example. Suppose you go to Bangkok. So you have a Swarna Bhumi airport, which is a very big airport, and you have Don Muang airport. Nobody knows the name Don Muang. So you can start your operations from Don Muang, and that is what actually is happening. But this is so practically relatable, guys. You want to check, you can just open any app, right? Wherever you stay, वहां से आप बैंकॉक का दिल्ली बैंकॉक, मुंबई बैंकॉक, कोलकाता बैंकॉक, जहां से आपको टिकट मारना है मारो, चेक करो फ्लाइट का रेट्स. अगर फ्लाइट स्वर्ण भूमि एयरपोर्ट पे लैंड कर रही होगी तो उसका पैसा ज्यादा होगा, और डॉन मुआंग एयरपोर्ट पे लैंड कर रही होगी तो उसका पैसा कम होगा, क्योंकि वो डॉन मुआंग एयरपोर्ट सिटी के आउटस्कर्ट्स पे है, प्रॉपर सिटी में एयरपोर्ट नहीं है. तो किसी न किसी को कैब करके सिटी में आना पड़ेगा. तो लोग सोचते हैं छोड़ना यार, कैब कर लेंगे, सस्ती एयरलाइन मिल रही है, बैंकॉक ही तो लेके जा रही है ना यार, राइट? सो that is what you can do for gaining the low cost advantage. So guys, I have given you a practical example also. Plus, don't use any printed tickets, right? Make sure that your seat allocations, right? Seat allocations, matlab you need to know how will you allocate the seats. And I guess in airline industry you must have known that for the middle seat, right? For the middle seat, the cost is the cheapest. For the window seat, the cost is a little bit high. For a aisle seat, the cost is again high. But for the middle seat, it is very low. Don't offer them free meals, free drinks, right? And make sure your turnaround times is really fast. Your flight lands, gets ready for the next flight, and again comes back, and use no exception policy. Boss, what is exception policy? If there is any unruly flyer, कोई मिसबिहेव करता है, सीधा उतार दो उसको प्लेन से. कोई लेट आता है, don't give them any chance of boarding. So this can be just done by large scale operations. But remember one thing, cost leadership अगर आप attain भी कर लेते हो, so sometimes the rivalry becomes so fierce that even competitors will try to do that, and then you will reduce the rate, they will reduce the rate, they will reduce more, you will reduce more. For the industry overall, this situation is very disastrous. So guys, that was the first strategy. The second one is the differentiation. As I said, focus on quality, right? Focus on providing quality service or a quality product, and make sure that the customers are ready to pay premium for it, right? So customers should perceive that your business or your way is superior to others. How will you do that? Enhance the in-flight experience. Give them in-flight entertainment. Okay, give them free meal, give them drinks, right? I hope in international flight, if you take a costlier flight, अरे दारू मिलने वाला है, लीकर, पब्लिक उसके लिए भी पैसा देता है, बोलते ठीक है यार वसूल कर लेंगे टिकट का पैसा, right? These kind of, or these are the ways you can charge a premium, give a better leg room. It should be very clean, comfortable flight. So this differentiation can be obtained by take a prime landing slot at a major airport. Prime slot, बस every airport has a prime slot. जैसे टेलीविजन पे प्राइम टाइम होता है ना, रात को 9 बजे से 10 बजे के बीच में, when everybody is glued to the TV, वैसे प्राइम लैंडिंग स्लॉट्स होता है एवरी कंट्री का. So get that slot at the major airport. Even landing location is very important. See, you may land the flight very far, तो customers को बस में आना पड़ेगा, or you may land the flight at the airport almost, they can just walk in through. So such kind of extra complementary features you can provide and make sure that you can charge the premium. But इन चीजों के लिए इतना खर्चा मत कर देना कि जो प्रीमियम का एडवांटेज मिल रहा है वो सेट ऑफ हो जाए. So guys, make sure that either two ways, one is the low cost advantage or two is the differentiation strategy. You have to try to gain the market share. Okay, these are the two broader points on which you had to build your case study. There is another point which I would like to highlight, and which also they have highlighted, is that focus on a specific area. Guys, you know what? When you are a bigger airline or a bigger business, and जैसे यहाँ पे multinational airline है, तो you forget the niche area. Niche means the small area जो लोग नजरअंदाज कर देते हैं. So you can focus on small niche areas, और उस एरिया में you provide point to point contact, direct flights. जैसे मुंबई बीकानेर से राजस्थान की अगर बात करो, मुंबई बीकानेर डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट है. बॉस कितने लोग हैं जो बीकानेर जाने वाले थे, वो पहले मुंबई जयपुर, मुंबई जोधपुर लेते थे, पर अब मुंबई बीकानेर फ्लाइट लेंगे. निशी मार्केट है बीकानेर एयरपोर्ट, बट एटलीस्ट यू शुड हैव वन फ्लाइट पर डे फॉर मुंबई बीकानेर. So you just focus on a geographical area, and on that geographical area you gain the superior advantage. That is what it is going to say you. So BA may focus on geographical region and short point to point flights to reduce the cost, right? The focus can attain competitive advantage with a niche, because large firms are not attracted to niche, or maybe they ignore the potential, right? So this kind of focus can build you a competitive advantage in few regions which are niche regions, right? So that is nothing but also called as the focus strategy, the third one, guys. Now let's come to the problems. The problems are, one is currency depreciation. Okay, the first problem, and the two is the ATF cost, right? So let's first talk about currency depreciation. So guys, you should attempt to increase the number of domestic flights so that the currency depreciation gets spread over many flights. So the burden which you take, or the burden of depreciation each flight takes, reduces. 2, you can also reduce the ATF cost by investing in a better aircraft which consumes less fuel, like Airbus A300, Airbus A320. They are low fuel consuming airlines. ऐसे planes में invest करो. Okay, आज आपका capital cost होगा, but then it will save your operational cost forever. And guys, the last part of this case study is focusing on the value shop model. Guys, we have studied value shop model also in the theory, but you need to know that boss, इसको भी हमें इस theory में use करना था. So what is value shop model? It generates value by organizing resources like people, knowledge, skills, and you solve a specific problem. That is, delivering airline service to passengers is solving a problem. Now, this kind of value shop model can be used, and understand that for which, I repeat, for what the customers are willing to pay. There you generate value. Where customers are not willing to pay, don't try to even generate value by spending some additional cost. So these are the ways in which BA can get superior advantage or a competitive advantage over its competitors. Guys, they have also given, so we have actually finished the answer of the case study, but they have given a concept which is in actual practice. जैसे मैंने आपको रियल लाइफ एग्जाम्पल दिया है, वैसे इन्होंने भी रियल लाइफ एग्जाम्पल दिया है. दे हैव गिवन द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ साउथ वेस्ट एयरलाइन. उन्होंने क्या किया था, ज्योग्राफिक रीजन पे फोकस किया था और शॉर्ट पॉइंट टू पॉइंट फ्लाइट्स बनाए थे ताकि रिड्यूस हो जाए कॉस्ट. उन्होंने कोई इट ऑफर नो फ्रिल सर्विस. नो फ्रिल्स मतलब नो तामझाम, राइट? मतलब खाना मिलेगा, एंटरटेनमेंट मिलेगा, बोर्डिंग पास प्रिंट करके, मतलब ऐसा कोई तामझाम नहीं रखा ताकि कॉस्ट कम हो जाए, और लैंडिंग भी सबका सब सेकेंडरी एयरपोर्ट पे किया. बट इन्होंने डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट शुरू किया उन रूट्स पे जहां पे डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट्स नहीं था. सो जो लोग कनेक्टिंग फ्लाइट्स की मजबूरी से ले रहे थे, वो सारे के सारे कस्टमर्स इनको मिल गए. So they also improved their on-time performance and friendly amenities, which is just required for the customer. And that is the concept which is in actual practice by Southwest Airlines. So guys, this is what was the first case all about. So we read the case, and I hope all of you read the case along with me. Then we discussed the solution and we read the solution also. So guys, this is what we can do in almost 30 minutes. We can finish one case comfortably well, इतना अच्छे से कि अगर आपने ये वीडियो देखा तो you will not have to read the case again. I hope all of you like the video, right? And thank you for your patient listening. God bless you. Keep studying, guys. Remember, your CA prefix is very important, right? So keep studying with the same Josh. Thank you. See you again with another case. Bye bye. Take care and God bless you.